How do we transfer TLife coin from TLife to Trust Wallet? So in this video you will able to find and you will able to know that how do I transfer the TLife coin from the TLife website to Trust Wallet. Just keep watching this video and stay. First you need to log in your ID, which is tonvillelife.com. It doesn't mean that you just have to log in TLife coin website. You just have to go through this procedure. The first you need to log in tonvillelife.com. This is a website, so just log in now. Once you log in, you will see the interface like this. Then you need to click on this profile. You need to go to profile. After going to profile, just click on edit profile. In edit profile, just scroll down and you will see the TLife coin BAP20 address. This is the TLife coin BAP20 address where you need to put over here. And how do we find the BAP20 address? So just if you want to transfer the TLife coin in Trust Wallet, then you can find your BAP20 address, receiving address of in Trust Wallet. Let me take in Trust Wallet. So this is your Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, this is TLife, where you need to click on this, and on the receiving you will see the address. Just click on receive. You can see the address and QR code. Copy this address. You need to click on the copy, and this copy address, this address has been copied. Now come back to the same place. The TLife coin BAP20 address we need to put over here. Just paste this address here and just click on the send OTP. Once you click on the OTP and send OTP, then you will see the enter OTP option. You're gonna receive this OTP in your email, just like this. I've registered with this email, so I'm gonna receive this OTP in that mail. You can see that this is my OTP to enter this OTP over here. Now you can click on the update profile. Now you can see the profile updated successfully. It means this address has been updated successfully. You can check this address has been updated now. And you can see the one more thing, USDT TRC20 address. This is the address to withdraw dollars, not for TLife coins. Now what I need to do, I need to go back to the same place, my TLife website. Now I have come to my website. This is my TLife website. I'll withdraw my coins. First you need to go to income report, and income report you will see the withdrawal. Just click on the withdrawal option, and once you click on this, you will see the updated address which you updated, and here you need to put the amount to be withdrawn. I'm going to withdraw the full amount. Now I'll receive the amount in my this address. You can see the withdrawal address. So now I'll click on the send OTP. So I'm supposed to receive the OTP again. Now you can see that I have received the OTP. Now I'm going to withdraw the TLife coin. Click on this withdrawal TLife coin, and now you can see they successfully made a withdrawal request of this amount. Now I'm supposed to receive this TLife balance over here. After some time you will see, you can check the status of TLife. So in withdrawal history, like if you click on this, the three lines, then you will see the withdrawal history, and in withdrawal history you will able to find your withdrawal. Like I have the withdrawal amount and the fee which I have been charged, and date, status, and base, and address. Everything you will able to find, but this is pending, so I might receive this amount after some time, maybe in few hours. So guys, I have received the TLife coin in my Trust Wallet. So this is the easy way to withdraw TLife coin from TLife website to Trust Wallet. So this is the process you can follow. In this process you will be able to know how to withdraw the TLife coins. I hope you're gonna like this video. This helped you a lot. Thank you so much.